Yo, I'm pretty sure all of us has a bunch of awkward moments in our life. And as an awkward person, I want to share some of my most embarrassing and most awkward scenarios that I experienced, that I reminisce before I sleep and cringe the hell out of me. Well, this story was not too long time ago. So I was at school food court at the time. Although our food court was big, I mean a mall-sized food court big, seats are always a problem because there's a lot of students. So it's not so common that students will share seats with others. Also, the table was pretty long and probably can accompany around 10 students. And most of the time, it triggered my social awkwardness. So I was eating at school food court and picked a table that I was empty because that's what a normal person will do if they know that they have a lot of history of social awkwardness. I thought that was a good idea until there's a group of friends and there were like 7 person or something that sits at the table where I'm at. So I was hoping that they won't interact with me that much. We're eating for a while, so nothing to worry about. Beside the idea of eating with a group of friends who did not belong. Ha, why did I sit here? Nothing much until again. One of their friends arrived to eat with them and I was sitting at this side of the seat so they have to ask me if I can move so these people don't have to move and drag their food. And me, that super smart and intelligent creature, I move like this. And the awkward pause happened. The pause was just like 5 seconds of silence and gazing, but it felt like an eternity. My mind was like, what the heck is happening? But yeah, they just asked me to stand up for a bit and make a room for her and sit beside her friends. So I try to finish my food as quickly as I can and leave that table. Ha! It's not like they're thinking how terrible and dumb what I did right there, right? Right? Another awkward story. But let me tell you something first. I'm a night person, and I liked working and doing things at night. I think I'm more productive at that time compared to the morning. So it was like 8 a.m. in the morning, so I was at train going somewhere and was a bit sleepy and wasn't really paying attention on what I'm doing. And for some reason, I was staring at this person for a very awkward amount of time. And I didn't even notice I was staring until again and again and again. This person asked if there's something wrong. Huh, please let me be a bubble and pop. But I apologized and said I was a bit zoning out. Ah, good addition to my cringy night reminisce. So thank you for reaching this part of the video. I really appreciate you sticking around. And if you enjoyed this video, you might want to consider subscribing as it helped the channel a lot. Still working on improving my works and still need to learn a lot. Tja, see you on the next video.